Namaskar. We have completed the chapter matrices, and now after completing the chapter matrices we'll be taking the next chapter, that is determinants. Dear students, before we talk about the chapter determinants, I would like to tell you that we have covered all of the topics of the chapter matrices. We have covered all of the properties, theorems, and taken a lot of examples so that you could easily understand all of the topics of the chapter matrices. So today we are starting the next chapter, that is determinants. The name of the chapter is determinants. The name of the chapter, students, is determinant. So first of all, you all might be thinking, what is a determinant? Dear students, we can associate a number to a square matrix. What is a square matrix? All of you know. So to a square matrix we can associate a fixed number, and that number may be either complex or real. So that number associated to a square matrix is what is called determinant of that particular square matrix. So suppose if we have a matrix A is equal to Aij, okay, of order, let A is equal to Aij be a square matrix of order n, then we can associate a number that may be real or complex. We can associate a number to A, and that is also known as determinant of A, and it is denoted by determinant of A or determinant of A, or we may denote it by del as well. So dear students, what is determinant? A determinant is all about a square matrix. So to a square matrix there is we can associate a fixed number, and that fixed number may be real or complex, and that particular fixed number is called determinant of that particular square matrix. Now it's not like that we can associate any fixed number from our side to a determinant. There is certain method of associating or fixing that fixed number to a square matrix, and that is called the determinant of matrix. Here we will also learn how to associate or how to fix that number to a square matrix, which is called the determinant of matrix. So this is the general definition of a determinant. So what is a determinant? A determinant is a fixed number associated to a square matrix. Now this is the simple and basic definition of determinants. Now we will also talk about the definition of determinant in terms of functions. So here I write, students, the another definition of determinants. Let M be the set of all the square matrices and K be the set of all the numbers, and those numbers may be real or imaginary or complex, you can write. Okay, so then, or you can write, and f be a function defined from the first set we have taken m, from m to k, such that f from m to k and f any element that is belonging to m, we can say fa is equal to small k, okay, where a belongs to m and k belongs to k. So what we have taken, students, we have taken a set of all of the square matrices as m, and k we have taken a set of all of the numbers which are in which both real and complex numbers are included. F we have considered a function which is defined from m to k, and we have defined the function f a is equal to k. So here we can say then fa or this small k is called determinant of matrix A, which is denoted by, which is usually denoted by what? Determinant of A or determinant of A. So students, I have defined the determinants in terms of functions as well. So there is a function, students. So in that function whose domain is set of all of the square matrices, and what is its codomain? Its codomain is set of all of the numbers which are real and complex. Okay, so when we put a square matrix to this particular function, we are getting the determinant of this particular function. Okay, so when a square matrix has been put in this particular function, the output, or you can say image of A, is the determinant of A. Okay, and for the different square matrices of different order, this fa or fx, this function f is defined differently. How it is defined, that we are going to study next. So I am sure you have understood both of the definitions of the determinants. What is a determinant? Generally speaking, a determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. Okay, or you can say in terms of function, if you have to talk, then we can say a determinant is the range of a function, okay, which is defined from set of all of the square matrices to the set of all of the numbers in which both real and complex numbers are included. So these are the basic definitions, and now we will be talking about determinants of square matrices of different order. So first of all, I am talking about determinant of a square matrix of order 1. Determinant of a square matrix of order 1 is our next topic, students. So students, as as I have already told you, what is determinant? A fixed number that is associated to a square matrix. So now we have to find that particular fixed number associated to a square matrix of order 1. So here consider a square matrix A is equal to A, and since order is 1, then determinant of A is equal to A, or you can say then A is the value of determinant of A, that is determinant of A is equal to A. So if there is a square matrix of order 1, students, the value of the determinant is equal to that number in that particular square matrix of order 1. Okay, suppose for example there is a square matrix A of order 1 in which the element is 2, then here implies that determinant of A here is equal to that particular element 2. Another element B is there, students, in which the element is we can say iota. Okay, that implies that determinant of A is equal to iota. This is how we find the determinant of a square matrix of order 1. So determinant of a square matrix of order 1 is equal to the element that is included in that particular square matrix of order 1. I am sure you have understood how to find the determinant of a square matrix of order 1. Okay, one thing, students, you have to keep in your mind, suppose A is a square matrix and this we are reading as determinant of A. You are not to read it as modulus of A. Okay, never to read it as modulus of A, it is determinant of A, and determinant can be obtained of only square matrices. Okay, so determinant is all about square matrices. Now the next topic, students, is determinant of a square matrix of order 2. Dear students, let A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 be a square matrix of order 2, then the value of determinant of A is given by determinant of A, or determinant of A is equal to, what to do, students? We have to multiply both of these elements first. So A11, A22 minus A21, A12. This is the value of determinant of a square matrix of order 2. So what I have taken here, I have taken a square matrix of order 2 in which these are the elements, these 4 are the elements. Now what is the value of determinant of square matrix A? So determinant of A is equal to this one. So what is that number associated to square matrix of order 2 which is called the determinant? That particular number is defined by the product of these two elements minus the product of these two elements. I am sure you have understood. We can quickly take an example as well, students. So I am taking an example. If there is a matrix, students, named B and the elements are 2, 3, minus 2, 4. Okay, then determinant of B is equal to 2 multiplied by 4. Both of these will be multiplied, students. So 2 multiplied by 4 and minus sign, and then minus 2 multiplied by 3, minus 2 multiplied by 3, and that is equal to 8 minus 6, and that is equal to 8 plus 6 is equal to 14 is the value of determinant of this particular square matrix. I am sure you have understood how to find the determinant of a square matrix of order 2. Now let me take one more example, students. Suppose there is a square matrix A of order 2 and the elements are 1 2 3 minus 2. Okay, the value of determinant of A is equal to the product of these two matrices, that is minus 2, minus sign the product of these two matrices, that is minus 6, and that is equal to minus 8. So determinant of A is equal to minus 8. So dear students, what do you notice here? The value of determinant can be negative as well. Here the value of determinant has been negative now, that is minus 8. Okay, minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 8. So it is not actually modulus. If it would be modulus, we would always get the value positive. So it's not actually modulus. It is read at always determinant of matrix A or determinant of square matrix A. Okay, so that is equal to minus 8. I am sure you have understood how to find the value of determinant of a square matrix of order 1 and order 2. Also, what is a determinant? A determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. So now we will also study the determinant of a square matrix of order 3 in the next video. Thank you.